I'm so hungry right now, like straight up. I see that thing, I just want to get this thing. I'm looking at this and
Well,
it's
just put some on the
I
table.
don't want chili. I don't want chili.
With this one is Halo teman-teman Binai, apa kabar kalian semua? Semoga kalian dalam keadaan sehat teman-teman. Nah, pastinya sebelum aku memulai semuanya, aku ingin ngucapin terima kasih yang sebanyak-banyaknya buat teman-teman yang selalu setia nonton vlognya Binai dan selalu setia nungguin vlog terbaru dari Binai. You're the greatest guys. Buat teman-teman yang baru kali ini nonton vlog aku, jangan lupa di subscribe, tinggal klik tombol bell supaya teman-teman gak kelewatan nonton vlog-vlog terbaru kami. Kalau teman-teman masih ingat, nah aku kan pernah bikinin teman-teman aku martabak manis. Dan waktu itu mereka wow, yang kayak wah ini enak banget gitu kan. Tiago sampai nyuruh aku bikin restoran Indo supaya dia bisa makan martabak tiap hari. Nah kali ini karena kita udah pernah nyobain yang manis-manis, sekarang aku bakal bikin yang asin, which is martabak telur.
Oh yeah.
Well teman-teman, untuk bikin ini aku agak deg-degan ya, karena memang jujur aku belum pernah bikin sendiri. Dan sekali bikin ternyata yang agak bikin aku nggak pede itu bikin kulitnya teman-teman. Nah jadi aku udah bikin research, jadi aku udah research banget banyak-banyak, udah nonton banyak video YouTube. So now it's time for execution, so I'm gonna try to cook ya, dan semoga berhasil. So mari kita masak teman-teman. Nah untuk kulit martabaknya teman-teman, sesuai dengan resep yang ada di Cookpad, aku butuh 100 gram tepung terigu, terus setengah sendok makan tepung tapioka, 1 sendok makan minyak goreng, sedikit secumput garam, dan air. Pertama-tama kita campurkan tepung terigu dan juga tepung tapioka, ditambah dengan garam. Jadi dicampur sampai merata ya. Lalu kita uleni dengan menambah air sedikit demi sedikit. Jadi jangan langsung sekaligus teman-teman. Setelah adonan setengah kalis, baru kita campurkan minyak goreng. Nah ini juga nggak sekaligus teman-teman, jadi sedikit demi sedikit juga. Supaya adonan menjadi cepat kalis, aku menguleninya di atas permukaan yang datar teman-teman. Jangan lupa dibersihkan tuh kalau misalnya di atas meja atau apapun itu. Nah terus pakai teknik seperti mencuci baju dan juga kadang dibanting-banting teman-teman. Jadi biar adonannya konsistennya bagus. Setelah adonan kalis, teman-teman bentuk seperti bola, terus ditutup dengan plastik dan didiamkan selama 15 menit. Setelah 15 menit, adonan teman-teman bagi menjadi beberapa bagian. Nah, kalau aku sendiri sih aku bagi jadi 3 bagian. Nah, setelah itu dibentuk seperti bola dan direndam di dalam minyak goreng kurang lebih selama 1 jam. Sambil menunggu adonannya siap untuk digunakan, waktunya kita membuat isian martabak telur. Nah, kalau aku sih pakainya daging cincang, daun bawang. Sayangnya sih telurnya cuma ada telur ayam. Nah, setelah ketiga bahan dicampur dengan merata, teman-teman, baru kita tambahkan garam secukupnya. Lada hitam. Kaldu bubuk sayur secukupnya. Nah, aku sendiri sih aku tambahin bubuk jintan, jadi biar lebih ada rasa yang nendang. Dan diaduk-aduk lagi. Nah, untuk melebarkannya sendiri, aku sih dilebar-lebarin aja gitu pakai tangan. Jadi pakai perasaan teman-teman biar jangan sobek. Dan voila, martabak pun selesai. Wah, nggak nyangka nih teman-teman, lumayan mirip lah sama yang dijual mang-mang martabak. Well, I'm so happy. I hope my friends gonna like the food.
Just doing some.
Whoa, it's hot! Jesus Christ, it's hot!
it's hot.
Because everyone's doing this thing, I was like, dude, it's not possible to be that hot, you know? I was like, it's no possible to be that hot. And I was like, alright, let me touch. Yep. Let me do this thing. I'm pretending like I'm fancy.
Cool looks fancy, eh?
See? I'm so hungry right now. Like straight up. I see that thing. I just want to get this thing. I'm looking at this and
Oh,
it's just.
You
Some
spot
on the
your
table.
I
order.
don't want chili. I don't want chili.
But Tiago, with this one is good. See, with this one is really good. We eat with that one.
No, I like this one.
Yeah,
Tastes
exactly.
like
Just like that one. Hi guys. Balik
What's
lagi.
up?
What's up? Balik lagi bareng kita di Binai Channel.
Brazil, yo!
Yeah, this is from Brazil, so we have two Brazilian here. Today is the appetizer, guys. The first time ever I made this appetizer. Tiago, you remember the one on and Alex that I made for you guys, the crepes but very thick.
Yeah,
And Tiago said this with
The
steroid.
steroids,
Yeah,
yeah.
so that's the sweet one. This is the salt one, the salty one. So we have two versions.
It looks smaller though.
Yes.
They are clean now.
Yeah.
They stop
Like
taking.
the Indonesian original one, they have like the really huge, but I don't have that cooking thingy.
Yeah.
Later.
The plate or
Or-
like to cook it, right?
Yeah.
So that's why I just do the mini one because it's our only appetizer. Yeah, just have a grab and try. I hope you like it, guys.
that one. This one. It looks good.
Come on. Can you give me this water?
Chili, That's
It's
wood. Really? Good. I'm gonna try. Oh yeah, I'm gonna go.
I think I'll try with this one.
See, you grab a chili,
And you eat that.
you put this chili sauce. Oh, hold on. Don't get the napkin.
And eat the napkins with.
Oh yeah, and then you die for like so much sauce.
Then you bite
But
it,
it's not spicy. Like this one is
Mexico.
sweet, sour.
and
like it's
and
not
then
even.
it's coming after.
and then you bite the chili.
Oh my god!
Okay.
I
will do
even
the same.
cannot do that. I can't do that, like half of it though. Okay.
I mean,
I'm gonna get one.
this is good, right? It's not spicy like this one.
It's not that spicy. This one is sweet. This is sweet.
I like that one.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
That one's good. This has a seal approval, Tiago, of like good, it's sweet, not spicy. And how many calories? Let's see how many calories. 40 grams? No, 10 grams of sugar, 40 calories. Yeah, it's kind of healthy. I'm digging it. Seal of approval.
Oh my god.
And Tiago made poo poo. This is insanely good.
It is? I'm gonna cry.
Took
That
me
was
to
really
you.
Behind the camera.
Yeah, in the fire, like this.
Going out of to the balcony to scream. And then coming in.
Hello, guys.
I'm okay. No good.
Yeah, the inside is actually with the ground beef, egg, and the green onions. So like the Indonesian version is like huge. Like one portion can make you really full, like huge, and you cut it like
Like
some
a-
pieces.
Kind of like a burrito, huge.
Yeah, like huge, really huge. Like the one I made, like that. Remember? Yeah. So and it's very thick. Just because I don't have the proper utensil to make it. Eat it.
So you mean like a big pan where you fry?
Yeah, it's like a flat
Maybe half of
one,
it.
and then that's why you can do like. Oh. Sorry, just an appetizer. I didn't make that
Oh,
much.
Tiago, you're still hungry? Come on.
This looks so good.
So in Indonesia, the funny thing, they eat it like around this time, like 8 and 9 o'clock, kind of like after
You
dinner
mean-
snack.
This time in Indonesia or this time here?
Like this time, like this now we have like
Oh,
at
okay,
night.
Okay.
So like after dinner snack, that's where you can find it. Like it's on the street. It's like a street food. You go on the street, people sell that. Like, and it's
You're turning all red.
oh, Tiago, are you okay? Oh my god,
Oh my god. Do something. Save Tiago.
save Tiago. Oh my god, but did I do?
You gotta scare him. Ah!
For you.
Yeah,
So-
distract him.
That was really quick, guys. You know what? It took me 5 hours to make that. The skin
This
was
one?
really hard. Yeah,
Oh.
just to make the skin, I need to put it in the oil for like 4 hours, 5 hours, so that it gonna stretch. So otherwise, it won't stretch, right? But that's the problem. Or even if the crunchiness. Actually,
are
they
the
are
best part.
starving.
So, the food was delicious. It was a correct portion because we will have more food. I love how crunchy was it, and with the company of the chili that I love, so it was like perfect. Tiago will eat more with chili, right? So approve. 2 thumbs up.
Thank you.
It was very delicious. Everything good.
Everything's good. Fernanda's happy. Yay!
Yeah, I liked it as well. I mean, it was deep fried, so everything that's deep fried tastes very good.
Oh, yeah.
But I love combination of deep fried stuff with this sweet chili sauce and chabe. So that's, for me, that's perfect. So yeah, it was very good. Thumbs up.
Thumbs up for me. It reminded me of food from back home. It's called langosh.
Langosh.
It's deep fried, kind of like same kind of material. It's
Yeah.
like same delicious, but with sweet and sour sauce. It was delicious.
Oh yeah.
Hello. It was good. It was crispy, like Alex said. I really like it. I like the stuffing. I like the sauce. It was like, I think it was way lighter than like the one that we had before.
Yeah.
So it's like, but it wasn't like, I don't know which one. I like actually really like the other one
The
more.
risoles, yeah.
Yeah, because the risoles was like, I like when I eat something, it was crunchy, it was like a lot of stuff together. This one was like I can see myself eating this whole bowl. And I was super good. So yeah,
That makes sense, yeah. Fair enough.
Thumbs up.
Fair enough. Thank you. Ya, that's it. Teman-teman, seperti yang aku bilang, ini pertama kalinya aku bikin makan berdua.
I'm happy that my friends like it though. So thank you guys for eating and see you next time, guys. Bye.
like down below, comments. I read comments sometimes.
Right.
Wow.